So from the given signal, we can find the values of x of -2, x of -1, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2. Okay, all these values are given from this input signal. We can see the input signal once again. So see, this is x of -2, value is 0, x of -1, 1, x of 0 it is 1, x of 1 it is minus half, x of 2 is 0, x of 3 0, x of 4 is 1, sorry, half. Okay, so these values we have to put. Okay, after substituting we get the values. E raised to power minus j 0.531. Okay, then x of -1, we have to put the values of -1, so minus j sine of 2 pi by 5 by 5. This value is coming to 0.276 e raised to power minus j 0.760. Okay, then x of 0, x of 0 it is a 1 by 5 and e raised to power j 0. This is equal to 0.2 e raised to power j 0, and this is a x of 1. When you put x of 1, what value we get? 1 by 5 plus j into sine of 2 pi by 5 by 5, and this value is coming 0.276 e raised to power j 0.760. Okay, and next is x of 2. One by 5 plus j into sine of 4 pi by 5 into 0.232 e raised to power j 0.531. Okay, so these are the values after substituting x of -2, x of -1, x of 0, x of 1, and x of 2. Okay, so this is the magnitude and phase, because we have to draw the frequency domain representation. So frequency domain representation will draw. So this is, we can say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly on this side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like this. So this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay, so for x of 0, x of 0 is 0.2, x of 0 is 0.2. So this is x of 0. Okay, then x of 1, what is the value of x of 1 is 0.276. So this is coming somewhere here. 0.276 like this. Then x of 2 is 0.232. So this is coming somewhere else. So 3 is also coming somewhere else. And 4 it is again. Okay. So point minus 1 it is 0.76. So this and this is same. Okay. For x is equal to -2, it is a 0.23. So this and this is again same. Okay. And similarly, we can put all the values. So this is the magnitude of x of k as a function of frequency k. So this is also so we can say this is a figure, the magnitude of x of k as a function of the frequency index k. Okay, now we have to draw the phase plot. So phase plot is drawn so this is the argument of x of k in radians. Okay, so this is a 0.5, this is 1, this is a minus 0.5, this is -1. So it is 0. So if you substitute all the values on this side, it is a so this is a phase plot of the discrete time Fourier series. Okay, means this is the angle in radians. Okay, so we have found that that is the e raised to power something. Okay, So e raised to power 0.760 like this. So we have find the values for that, and therefore this is the frequency domain representation frequency domain representation of the given signal. Thank you very much.